Everything I go alright, man.
Me on the toll alone, I lock the road. Lyrics by the factory load. Uber on myself, you know. Set them.
Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Line TV. Moments after an overturned conviction, damning text message of Vybz Kartel has been leaked. And speaking of message, Vybz Kartel sent a serious and shocking direct message to popular YouTuber Sir P. Sharon Storm, follow Vybz Kartel lead, and this him liar. Viewers and subscribers, we switch past squash, say free real boss, then delete it. Is there something that we don't know? Charity celebrate Vybz Kartel win at the Privy Council. Meanwhile, Vybz Kartel fiancé was in London, was in UK with Isaac Buchanan just to be at the hearing. Viewers and subscribers, since the final hearing at the Privy Council, Vybz Kartel situation has taken a drastic turn. I almost said drastic turn. It's not just because his conviction has been overturned, but as women say, liar get fire, text message get leaked. Vybz Kartel already take serious action, but as it regards to action beyond his control, everybody ask, what's next? Viewers and subscribers, may have all of this to cover in this report and much more. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you to do one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel when you reach this far. So please may I go ask you, give this video a like. Also, please remember to follow us on Instagram at LineTV760. Yeah, we'll get straight into it.
Shut the fuck up. Cause you about to get fucked up, nigga.
As we said earlier in the intro, since Vybz Kartel conviction has been overturned, a lot has happened. Almost everybody who have a platform and who don't have something to say about Vybz Kartel case, whether I'm guilty, whether I'm this, whether I'm that, and you don't know the whole works. Now, Vybz Kartel make a post on him Instagram page, Instagram story, and it was the post from the play earlier, and as one can clearly see, the caption was that everybody turn village liar, and him say, Isaac, are you hire them? No, when him just said that whole heap of people are contemplate why him really attack if him just a speak to the mass, cause yo, him can't stop the people them from attack. And me know say him glad say the people them attack and him love say the people them attack. But there is this one or two special people when attack and in my opinion attack things of Vybz Kartel not like. But I don't know, ignore that. But we also see which part him post, and this is what him have to say. Me born as a fighter, never scared, never afraid. God upon my side, my family and Gaza nation as well. Never give up, never waver, never falter, never weak. When me see that, me I say, yo, obviously, this is not Vybz Kartel responding to the people and we as a real boss. We as a free Vybz Kartel. It have to be the people them. We as a watch no man. Them man, they fit there with them. They in fact add some more year, your honor. You see what me I say? And him also go on and him tag a few people, Isaac Buchanan, like add a little vibes, etc. So this is now when everybody has a yeah man. This is a direct response to popular YouTuber Sir P. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you don't feel like say this is or was a direct response to Sir P, or it's just a case where him just a talk about the mass. People where say free Vybz Kartel and people where say yo, add couple more years.
Russia. Yo, the pussy them.
And while we speak of message, me see this a circulate, yeah man, pan the media, and this are some messages between Vybz Kartel and the Fox 5 news reporter by the name of Lisa Evers. Now, this person, without a doubt, me not think no female in the world love Vybz Kartel more than how she love Vybz Kartel. She make sure she stay up on top of this story. From the moment Vybz Kartel was locked up until now, she always a campaign for him. Even when it may seem as if yo she just a do her work, obviously she a campaign for the world boss. And for she out of everybody get these messages then you don't know a different level fear thing depend when it come on to Vybz Kartel. So it's a some lead message, and you can just look on the screen and you can pause and read it and what have you. It's just him speaking of the situation that he has been in and the situation of Jamaica overlooking every single thing, and at the UK Privy Council have been looking into it and say, no man, this can't go so. Oh, you not allow this. Oh, you not allow that. You see what me I say. But my question is, was it the right thing for Lisa Evans to do by leaking these messages? Me feel like say she could have just go up on the show. Meanwhile, speaking of it, she read it out if she want, or she just give a brief description of what was in the message, a summary, just like what I'm doing now, instead of reading it out, or instead of screenshotting it and send it out. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts. And while all of this happen, me see whole heap of people, including lawyers, I take one whole heap of credit for everything we go on. That's what me I say. Vybz Kartel now, being the Vybz Kartel where him be, you don't know say, them man they not go just make any and everybody come and take the credit. Vybz Kartel never depend that. We see Vybz Kartel make a post, and in my opinion, him not just a liar. This liar look like say him get fired, and me I go tell no why. So Vybz Kartel make a post, and in fact he made this post from before the final hearing even go on. Vybz Kartel say big up the actual lawyers them on this appeal. Isaac Buchanan, John Clark, and him name out everybody. We don't see him name Bert Samuels. Now, you so understand why Bert Samuels is a person in a this what we have to talk about. Now, even after he made that post, the real caption was no auto parts. Viewers and subscribers, do the maths. Bert Auto, Bert Samuels, no auto parts. Alright. After Vybz Kartel made that post, we see Sean Storm reshare that post. And Sean Storm have a caption. Now at no point we not see Sean Storm say big up Bert Samuels, even though we never see him diss Bert Samuels indirectly like what Vybz Kartel did. Now Bert Samuels has been out campaigning for the freedom of this man. Right now, Bert Samuels out there in the media regarding this case more than Isaac Buchanan out there. Yes, so me as viewers and subscribers. Now, if you don't know, Bert Samuels is the lawyer for Sean Storm. Now, if you see Sean Storm repost what Vybz Kartel posts, and don't highlight Bert Samuels, don't yell up Bert Samuels, don't say this, don't say that, it begs the question, is Bert Samuels really Sean Storm lawyer? Is Bert Samuels really depend this case? Viewers and subscribers, why is it that everywhere we look, we see Bert Samuels on TV, all over the media, a campaign, I said this, I said that, I did this, we did that, but we don't see none of the accused them highlight him. Viewers and subscribers, something right here, so where the lawyer them to get fired? Me no know, tell me down below in the comment section. And since we're speaking of this and speaking of that, where Vybz Kartel concerned as it regards to not highlighting Bert Samuels, instead dissing Bert Samuels, me really I look on things and this might sound silly, and me know people will say, yo, it doesn't matter because he is a part of the three co-accused. But I may alone notice, say everything that is regard to the Privy Council, them say Sean Campbell and the three co-accused, I really would have believed, say, I would be seeing Vybz Kartel, well, not Vybz Kartel, but Adidja Palmer and the three co-accused. Them keep on as say Sean Campbell and the three co-accused, which make it seem as if this appeal was really filed from behalf of Sean Campbell, and you don't know automatically the other three co-accused have to get filed underneath it. It makes it seem as if Sean Campbell's lawyers, attorneys were really the ones pushing and say, yeah man, this and that. As if Vybz Kartel just did their hang around. Me don't know if me alone see it or it just silly if you look on it that way there. But yeah, Vybz Kartel, it look away if you know say yeah, it is not Adidja Palmer we are see. We always see Sean Campbell and the trio co-accused. Regardless of what we see, whatever judgment and down, it and down for all three of them, so it still no matter. But I was just stating the obvious. I want you to tell me your thoughts on that.
Jump them back like Marlon. In a while, me no call one laman. If you care, you the shot and it.
Jaja, as we say, it has been a lot before or hours leading up to the final hearing at the Privy Council for Vybz Kartel and his three co-accused. And since the final hearing, it has been even more. We see which was squash leading up to the final appeal or leading up to the final hearing. We see which was squash make couple posts. He even post songs where man Vybz Kartel do and he must say, yeah man, hold it with DJ soon they are road. You know them little jaggins everybody are run out and you don't know free real boss. But moments after the Privy Council ruling, go up on squash page, notice that everything get deleted. Viewers and subscribers, we know how it go. They are simple thing for post something and in a note and you delete it. But when me run, me check and me go up and rush on them page and you don't know everybody when me see I say, yo, free real boss. It stay up there for the 24 hour until it automatically remove. Now it look away, Fishy Squash post it and within hours, probably not even an hour, shortly after him post them, we notice here in the day again. Now, this is not me stirring up anything between the two, because we don't know. Me obviously the artist them good. But in my opinion, it look away. And we know see a lot of people we are say free real boss. It is not sincere. A lot of people just run pan the wagon, just run with the hype, and that's just about it. Them no mean it. And I feel like said that also one of the reasons why Vybz Kartel make the post and I say, yo, I win since everybody turn village liar, viewers and subscribers, we still have more to talk about. We are move right along.
It's alright, I'm cool now, but more wine, stress out.
So meanwhile, Vybz Kartel Fiancé, the Turkish girl, you see what I say, they in a UK with Isaac Buchanan in the court for the hearing of the Privy Council ruling about Vybz Kartel or Fiancé, which by Shorty dip on TikTok and celebrate Vybz Kartel Privy Council win. Now that kind of strange. We all know the Vybz Kartel and Shorty is no more. You see what I say, and me also get to find out say you can't go over Shorty and go mention Vybz. Yo, she like she not to play Vybz Kartel over there again. And we see she celebrate. You see what I say, which is good at the end of the day. I'm Shorty that at the end I'm there. I'm baby mother that. And we know so regardless of who is there or who was there before or after, Shorty still own a special place in the Royal Boss Arch. So I say viewers and subscribers. But tell me your thoughts down below.